the concept carefully, then we start the video. Yo, what's up guys? This is your boy KTC, and we're back with another 2-key fighting video. So, if I'm entering my messages and just thought of something. So this I'm looking for the yes guys. Scratch is updating to a new platform this summer. Yes, summer 2025. And I've recently sent, and I also sent a post too. So I sent like 4 posts recently. So yeah. So for this video, we will teach you again on how to make the 2-key fighter. Oh no. So we're not going to be going to create. Instead, we're going to be going to this place right here, which is my stuff. That's where you like hide all your projects and all of that. So yeah, let's say this is the project. So Crazy Combat E1. So let's go back inside and just wait for it until it loads. Okay, so the topic of this 2-key fighting video is how you can make like actual the actual game over screen. So let me just test it out, of course. Yeah, so I have to test this over and over until this guy got so much lives out. So like, yeah. So I've done this in the last 2-key fighting video, which was how you can make the player system. So yep, that works just like how I expected. So yeah, the thing is now, yeah, so I did something so about that. So we yeah, but yeah, so anyways, where's the accent thing? Okay, so now we're going to be I don't know why I'm roaming around extensions. So now we're going to be using them as sprites. So yeah, let's take this out. Yeah, but because we're going to be deleting them as costumes. So delete this and delete this. So we will add a new system, which is the kicking system. And yes, guys, that's right. We haven't added that since the last video, which I need to redesign again, and which will take me again like a very long time. So if only I use some. Oh no, that looks so bad. So we're going to be using this. Okay, I know this looks so cursed. And I know what you guys are thinking. I can read minds. Like, literally, guys. Okay, so I just used this eraser thing. Oh my god. Yeah, guys. So you see me, I'm just editing through this thing. And yeah. I don't know why. Yeah, I mean, like, this looks so bad, bro. Like, okay, so taking a no, not like that. Okay, yep, that is better. So we're going to be doing the same with the other guy, except we will have to rename this Kick. And yep, that's right. We have to rename it Kick. Sorry, I had to lock the door to my bedroom because that's literally where I'm recording. So yeah, guys. So we're going to be naming this Kick. Yeah. So we're naming this Kick. So which is what we're going to be also doing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to touch it with my hand. Yeah, I'm gonna have to touch everything with my hands now. So yeah, let's now make a new costume. Yeah, and we'll also be naming this Kick. Yep, that is right. We're naming this kick and we're also pasting this and also snap it to the center. And yeah, I forgot to convert it to a bitmap. Hold up, wait a minute. And yeah, let me flip this thing horizontally. And um, use it as a red, which is going to be perfect. Oh, no, no, no. I need to fix this. And yeah, guess there was a problem, guys, with the lag. Okay, yeah, never mind. Everything is fine. But guys, I seriously doubt this. I know the kicking looks so bad, bro. Like, believe me, it sucks completely. I don't even know why I'm saying that, but yeah, I'm being honest, guys. So yeah, so the only thing we have to do is duplicate this. So of course we have this, and then we kick. Wait 1 second, but we're not going to be using B. Instead, we're going to be using D. So BD. All right, clean up blocks. That is for player 2. And we need to do the same with player 1. So we have to add new things to this. And yeah. When C press, no, not C. I meant to say E. Yes, that's right, E, which is what we're going to be using. I just need to clean up these blocks first of all. And yep, I guess now they're ready. Let's test it out. Oh, that worked. That worked. So yeah, so the script for this thing is that like, yo. Alright, I don't think this works normally on like the platformer ones. Like we did the movements and the ground collisions, which is not what we're going to be doing. And yeah, I might teach you guys how to make a scrolling game. That's for another time. We can't talk about that now. So, okay, where can I find this? Okay, so now of course, and yeah, so now we're gonna put this on save, which is what. Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm literally using WASD. Wait, what's going on? Oh, I'm supposed to be using E for this guy. And F. Yeah, sorry for this lag. Yeah, so it's gonna be B, C, E, F. So we're gonna skip the D because we're using WASD for player 2. I somehow just thought of that, so. Yup. Now everything works. We just need to add a crouching system, which is gonna be like pretty hard. Well, not that hard. We just need to crouch. So okay, this is the only thing we have to do. Right? Okay, so we're going to be using this for another time. We only added this, guys. Okay, so we need to stretch it at the same level as this guy. Oh, that's too much. Too long? Okay, I guess that is perfect. That's what I call it. And yeah, I'm using a different computer. So yeah, this guy automatically got flattened. So yeah, I guess now we need to add the Switch costume to player 1 wins. Okay, so we're going to be switching the switch costumes with the I don't know. Where's the switch costume to player 1 wins? Okay, so we are going to be adding broadcastings for the. So we're going to be naming this player 1 wins. Yes, that's right. Player 1 wins. So delete this. Yes, that's right. Delete this. So, and we also need to delete this same, and we make this exact same message except player 2 wins. Okay, now we're going to be making new sprites. So now we're going to be naming this sprite. Okay, so we're going to be naming this game over screens for both players, which is also going to be the title of this video. And we did some type of bug fixes for this. So yeah, this is going to be in like a vector. We're not going to be using bitmap, only the characters. So let's set this to player 1 winning, which is so we're going to be naming this. Okay, so we have so this is the most boring font. We're just going to be using Pixel for now until I update to Scratch 4. Yes, I used to Okay, so I was supposed to be making a. Oh no, I think I told that, right? I don't remember, but so we're going to be naming this game over, or we can just name this you lose. Okay, so let me put this on 0, 0. Okay, so we're going to be putting this on you lose. And let me just, so, oh, no. Okay, so, this is what I'm supposed to be. Oh, shoot. Never mind. Yeah, so let me delete this, guys. And put that again, too. No, but what in the what? Did I just turn on caps locked? You lost. Okay, so we barely put the. Okay, that's not fair. But while we have this, we're going to be putting this on white and taking out the update in the outline. So we need to put this on the same size, and that is. I don't think that's it, right? Okay, let me fix that. So we put on a you lost, just like the some games, right? Unlike some games. And we got it right over there. Wait, why is this on 28? No, put it on yeah, that's better. And yep, we're going to be putting on. Yeah, so let me fix this white to I don't know. Let's say blue, right? No, it doesn't fit perfectly with blue. So we're just gonna put this on green. Okay, so player 1. Okay, so you lost. Alright, so I'm not going to be using any of these fonts. Okay, so of course we're going to be using a different style. So of course we will be using instafonts.io, which is not the sponsor of this video. So we're going to be naming this you lost against your opponent. Press the green flag to try again. Yup, that is it. But the problem is we don't know which of this are we going to be using? So let's just say we're using this. Nah, it looks bad. So um wait. What am I gonna be? Alright, so I actually don't know what I'm going to be using, but there's too many designs in here, even some dumber designs. So yeah, I'm just going to be using this one that's italicized or something, right? Is that even a word? I don't know. So we copied and pasted what was supposed to be copy pasted. So I mean, like we did type this on our own, right? But we just used a different font that was not in Scratch. Except like, there's some. If you don't know what's Insta fonts, they're just like you just like to write something from a different font, and that's his point. So yeah, we're going to be putting this on. I don't know. Let's say white. So and I think. So, yeah, I guess that's perfect. So we have something like this. So, yeah. So we have like so we're going to be putting on a -1, right? No, that looks so bad. So we're just going to add it with a emoji kind of thing. So yeah, let me put this on gradient. Oh shoot, that looks bad. So I'm going to be making this like a apple emoji, something like. So we're going to be putting this. So we're going to be putting the dead emoji in our way. So oh, that looks fire, I'd say. So let's put this on a lighter type of color, right? Yeah, like white, yellow. I don't know. Let's pick yellow. It kind of looks nice. I'm not gonna lie, or something. So, all right. So let's see what it. The outline needs to be bigger than this. So, oh, I'm starting to cook, guys. I'm starting to cook. So we named this player 2. We don't even have to name it player 2, bro. Like, what? Yep. That's right. We don't even have to name it player 2. So, not a loss. Not my problem. So, okay. So I need to fix this and. So I guess this turns out perfect. So, yep. So we're going to be putting this, I don't know. So we're going to be putting this on when green flag clicked. We're going to be putting this on hide. Yes, that's right. So confirm this. We don't even have to click the green flag like literally. So yeah, I guess the emoji right here kind of turned out nice. Just that. Yeah, like they're the same exact background, except that. Speaking of backgrounds, we're going to be adding a backdrop in the. Wait, hold up. Where's that? Where's the book of videos, bro? Okay, so I have the thing right here. So we're going to be adding a title screen for the next video. We're going to be like adding title screens and disclaimer screens for the next video, which is going to be the 1st of August. Sorry that I didn't post yesterday. So yeah. Yes, and then because next video, however, is we're going to be putting the backdrop. Not now, just wait for a while. So we're going to be putting on a broadcast when I receive, let's say, player 1 wins. Okay, so, and we're also going to be doing the same for player 2 wins. So So yeah, I guess we need to put this on show and show. So we also need to hide the variables for this script. So when I receive player 2, we need to hide the variable though. So hide variable HP. So, and we also need to show the variable, of course. So let me put that right here. Perfect. We're gonna be doing the same for the other sprite. So yeah. So now we're going to be going to the testing after this. Yeah, last two key fighting video was kind of short. Now I think it was the same duration, right? Yeah, it was the same exact duration. Now let's do the testing. We fixed some bugs, and now let's test it out. Alright, so we're at the testing time. Okay, that's nice. Oh, bro got kicked. That's kind of crazy. Oh, you got kicked again. Now he's kicking him again. Ooh, cooking. He's cooking. Oh, no, I'm not letting him win. Oh, they're out of 70-70. That's a tie. Oh, he broke the tie. 70, 60, 50. Why is this, bro? He's definitely letting him win for sure. He's not. I mean, like, he's letting him lose, bro. Okay. First of all, one player uses WASD. Oh, nice. Wait, hold up. Didn't the thing confirm you lost against your opponent? Oh, I forgot to add. Yeah, I need to fix this bug too, real quick. Yeah, I guess that's perfect. And yep. So, I guess. So, I guess that is perfect. We need to, restart the test. So, yep. It's obviously going to be player 2 that's going to be losing, obviously. So, yeah. I don't know why do we have to, use, HP for that. So, don't worry about that. We're going to be adding the title screen for the next video. Coming up on August 1st. Wait for us that time. Oh, yes, it worked! It worked, guys. We have finished this video. And, of course, do not forget to like my videos. Leave a comment in the comments section. And also subscribe. Which I'm almost at the goal of getting 20 subscribers. Like, right now I have probably 19. Yeah, because if you go to my channel, link is in the description, or you don't have to go to the link at all. You can just enter the channel, which is on the side. And also, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hype in my videos. So, of course, yeah, I'm literally on YouTube. Oh, my video was there. Okay, so, yeah, I forgot about I'm still at 19 subscribers. I need only one more subscriber to reach 20 whole subscribers, guys. So, of course, we're now going to be doing our ending, which is see y'all in the next one.